GPS status menu explanation. To access GPS status menu, you have to press this button. And here is a summary for GPS GNSS modules. In this particular case, GNSS module consists of two GNSS receivers. This is the representation of first receiver, this is the representation of second receiver. So here you can see the number of satellites each receiver can see at the moment. This is the precision for each receiver. This is the correction age of each receiver. This is correction source. So this is information where the corrections are coming from which source in the menu. Entry bitrate, this is the speed of the corrections, the amount of data that comes from the entry service caster. When looking at this, you can easily check if there is a connection with the server and if the amount of data is suitable. So normally when you use one correction source, this data should be approximately all the time the same. So in this case you can see it's between, let's say, 8 and 9 kilobits per second, and it's a confirmation that everything works fine here. On the bottom you can see some additional tabs. First tab is an NMA from receiver 1. You can see the data from the receiver. You can pause the data. You can see GGA data. You can see VTG data. So when you are checking this under the roof, you can see that this GGA can be empty. But when going in the open air area, it should be filled up with data. If not, then it means something is wrong with the antenna itself or the antenna cable or something else. In case you want to send this data to the server for analysis, you can press send, and this will go to GoTrack support team. NMA2 the same. This is the information about the heading. Here is the value of the heading, then heading data. If the heading module says that the heading data is okay or not okay. If okay, then this data goes for the calculations. Heading quality, you can experience here 3 types of heading quality. The best one is the fix. If fixed, then it is used for calculation. If float or DGPS, then a computer is using heading from IMU sensor. Heading corrections, this is information if if corrections for heading module are properly received by the module. And here is some additional data for better analysis. RTCM, and this is information about what RTCM frames from the entry caster from the correction server computer is receiving. This will show up only when the GNSS modules are receiving satellite data. So if these modules are receiving data, then here you should see correction frames, RTCM frames. If these frames are not here, then it means that you have wrong settings of correction source, or there is no internet connection. IMU, here it is the graphical presentation of IMU sensor readings and numbers, and this is very important after installation to check if this dot represents real tractor pitch and roll. So now I'm moving the tractor to the place where the front of the tractor goes down the hill, and you can see the dot moved to the front. So this is a confirmation that the settings of IMU are okay. But if settings are not okay, pitch, normal pitch, not inverted, then you can see the dot is behind, but it should be in the front. So based on this graphic interface, you can check if your IMU sensor is properly installed and properly calibrated here in the menu. So, pitch inverted, and now let's check roll. Now I'm placing the tractor that the top of the cab is faced to the left side. You can see that the dot is on the left side of the cross. It means that it is okay. But if IMU is not okay, then you can see that the dot is on opposite sides, so it will be wrong. Now it is correct.